Imagine a situation where a person gets injured while learning to drive. What happens next is crucial. In 1971, a pivotal legal case emerged, Nettleship versus Weston. This case set a significant precedent in tort law. Let's dive into its details. Hello and welcome back to Landmark Case Laws, Simplified. Buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of Nettleship versus Weston together. Nettleship versus Weston centered on a driving accident involving a learner and an instructor. The plaintiff, Mr. Nettleship, was an experienced driver. He allowed a learner, Mrs. Weston, to practice driving his car. Unfortunately, she crashed the vehicle, injuring Mr. Nettleship. So, what was the crux of this case? Was Mrs. Weston liable for the accident? The court needed to determine the standard of care expected from a learner driver. In tort law, this standard is vital to establish liability. It raises a fundamental question: should the standard be the same for learners and experienced drivers? The court ruled that Mrs. Weston, despite being a learner, had a responsibility. She must meet the same standard of care as experienced drivers. This was a critical point in the ruling. The reasoning: all drivers, regardless of their experience, have a duty to drive safely and avoid harming others. To break it down, here are the key steps leading to the court's decision. First, the court assessed the actions of Mrs. Weston. Next, they looked at how her negligence caused the accident. Finally, the ruling stipulated that Mrs. Weston breached her duty of care. Understanding this scenario is essential. Think of it like riding a bike. Even if you're new to it, you must follow the same road rules as everyone else. The expectation of care remains consistent. This case illustrates a crucial aspect of tort law: liability. If you cause injury through negligent actions, you are responsible, regardless of your skill level. The Nettleship versus Weston case reinforced this idea effectively. Nettleship versus Weston established a vital legal principle under tort law. It affirmed that a person with a particular skill must reach the standard of an experienced, competent person with that skill. This landmark ruling impacts how professional negligence cases are handled today by imposing a higher standard for a person claiming to possess professional skills. So, what should you do next? If this topic ignited your interest, share this video with others. Dive deeper into tort law and explore how it affects everyday life. Keep learning, stay informed, and be aware of your responsibilities on the road. Thanks for watching.